twist a little bit sometimes.
There you
Come
go.
off. Okay. Now, we'll leave that on there for now. Let's see.
I don't think it's going to go through that little hose thing up there.
No. The problem we have is this is,
Quite a bit bigger.
yeah, I don't know.
Oh, farts.
Well, it's not under pressure, so if I can get it squashed, I might need to. Let's see.
Well, look at that thing. It's small on one side and bigger on the
Yeah.
other. That's weird.
I think it's just stretched out from being, they forced it over that big thing there.
Oh, that's strange.
Yeah, this is,
Way bigger.
yeah, way bigger.
We ain't going to be able to use it, are we? Ain't no way.
We need a little bit different size line. And I don't know if that one is that same size or not. So we may need to go up.
Where'd they sell it? TSC?